Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a pre-built form and use it as one of your own. Setting up and using one of Indition Forms, Contests and Surveys pre-built forms is really simple and easy to do. From our dashboard page we can select any of the options that say View Templates. For this example, let's create a contest form. So I will click on the View Template under the Create Contest section, and then it will pop up a variety of different pre-built forms to choose from. Here we have a variety of pre-built contest forms you can pick from. You'll just need to scroll through left and right to see which ones you're interested in and go from there. For this example, let's pick the contest entry pre-built form. We will select it by clicking the Select button. It then takes us to the Create a New Form page where we can name our form. Let's call it Social Media Contest Entry Form. The category will stay as Contest, and then we will click Save at the bottom. So here is a pre-built form. We have a description box with Enter for a chance to win inside, and then we have first name, last name, and email. Depending on what you want to show or have, these options will vary depending on you. For now, I want to change a couple things. I want to get rid of this description box and change the Submit button to say Enter to Win. So I will select the description box and click on the red trash can icon to the top right to delete the element. Are you sure you want to delete this field? Yes. And then I will scroll down and I will click on the Submit button at the bottom, and I will see the Submit button settings pop up on the right, where I'm able to change the field label text from Submit to Enter to Win. Then I need to click on the Apply button, and there you go. My social media contest form is good to go, so let's save it and see how the form looks. We can click the Save Form button in the top right corner, and then a pop-up will appear where we can click on Go to My Form to see a preview of it with the default form design style applied to it. And here is our form. We have our first name, last name, email, and Enter to Win button. I hope you found this video useful and will start to incorporate pre-built templates into your form building process. Thanks for watching.